safe and easy to go up this place.
So we almost done our trek, and here down there, you say there is also the famous suspension bridge.
No.
No.
Not?
Okay. This is our starting journey.
Yes.
Hi,
Trek.
this is our start to the glacier now, to the, what was the name?
Glacier.
No, it's not the Pass-
Gulkin glacier.
To the Gulkin glacier, yes. Great view from here, and we just started. We are now at the beginning, and look at this.
Beautiful flower on the black glacier. The high is maybe less than 3,000, and I couldn't believe that here are so beautiful flowers.
After 1 hour trekking, we are now in the middle of this giant black glacier.
It's amazing. It's
Gilgit Balltistan.
It's amazing. It's so big. You have to come here. It's great.
Look at this. Everywhere ice covered with stones, and you can walk.
After we are cutting.
Okay.
Oh. Now we are here on the end of the glacier. You can see a beautiful small river. It comes directly from the glacier, and it was very safe and easy to go up this glacier, and also on every part of Gilgit Balltistan. It's every place is safe to travel, no problem. Also for me as a woman, it's no problem.
I really can recommend to come to Gilgit Balltistan if you like some adventure trekkings. You don't have to be afraid. People here are very nice, they're
Yes.
very friendly. You feel like you're at home here.
Yes.
So we almost done our trek. Behind us You can see the Borith Lake, and here down there you see Husseini and the big river Hunza. In Husseini there is also the famous suspension bridge. Maybe we will cross today or at least tomorrow.